All right? Example 2, convert 7 seconds into weeks. So you start with 7 seconds. Put that over 1 because we're going to multiply by a bunch of fractions. And you want to set it up so these seconds cancel with these seconds. So you have to ask yourself, what do you know about seconds? And we want to go to a larger unit because we're trying to move from seconds towards weeks. So you'd have to say, you know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. And that's good because these seconds will cancel. Now you ask yourself, okay, what's this going to cancel with? Minutes. And you ask yourself, what do I know about minutes that would take us to a larger unit? 60 minutes in 1 hour. Then you do it again. I write hours down here because I want it to cancel with that. How many hours in a day, let's say? 1 day, 24 hours. And I spent a lot of time and energy in the last example, example 1, talking about how these are all just big ones, complicated looking ones. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, therefore the top is equal to the bottom, so this whole thing is a 1. So we're going to end up multiplying what they gave us times 1, times 1, times 1, as many times as it takes to get to weeks. Now I know that there are 7 days in 1 week, and now we've arrived at weeks. So let's cancel our units. And now we multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. On top we're going to get 7 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times weeks. So 7 weeks is all that's left on top. And on bottom we end up with a really large number. 604,800. 604,800. And then we divide 7 by that number. We get some really small decimal. So that's equal to 0.000011574, and it possibly continues on there, but we can just round it to whatever place we want. But basically it's that many weeks. Some tiny fraction of a week is what you would think. 7 seconds is just a tiny fraction of a week. And that's how you do it. And personally, I don't know how you could possibly stare at this and just work it out in your head. It's just not a safe way to do these, and I really demand that my students learn how to set this up so that when they set it up and all the units canceled, they've got all their numbers in the right place and there's no question that they know that their answer is correct.